So this is the issue as it happens. So what I do is if I turn the PC on, you can see everything lights up, everything's working fine. And then we go up here, one beep, and this is the screen we get stuck on, right? And basically, I cannot press anything. So if I press delete, nothing happens, and any of the other keys don't work either. Boot menu, nothing happens. And yeah, that's practically it. F8, nothing happens. Literally, I can't press any key. And the computer, sorry, this fan seems to have lost its bearings or something, but the computer, it just beeps every 20 seconds or so until after about 2 minutes this goes black into standby and it doesn't receive any more signals. So yeah, basically if you could give me some advice over this issue, the pictures attached show the clear CMOS option or whatever. I think that might be what I need to do, but yeah, thank you. If you could give me any advice, it'd be much appreciated.